So, children, today we are going to discuss the most important topic, or say the step of admission of a partner, and that is the treatment of goodwill. Before starting the description of the seven cases which are to be dealt with in the treatment of goodwill, I must tell you something regarding it. So, say A and B are partners and they were sharing profits equally. Now, I want to join the business, their firm, as a partner. So, what they will ask me to do is to bring some capital, because they are doing an economic activity which requires money. So, they will ask to bring some money as capital. Secondly, they were sharing the profits equally. Suppose in a year they earned a profit of rupees 1 lakh, the firm earned a profit of rupees 1 lakh, so that profit will be shared between them, 50,000 each. Now, if I am going to become a partner, then they will have to change the profit sharing ratio, and if I am given some an equal share, so now the new profit sharing ratio will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. And if the profit is same, say 1 lakh, now we all will get how much? 33,333, 33,333 and 33,334 to make it equal to 1 lakh. This will be the amount. Previously, before me, they would have got how much? 50,000 rupees. But now they are getting just 33,000 rupees. 33,333, 33,333. So the share of profit has also declined. Then they will ask me to bring an amount equal to the total goodwill of the firm, because see, goodwill means the reputation of the firm. I will also share that reputation when I will become a new partner. So they will ask me to bring an amount equivalent to my share of the total value of the goodwill of the firm, and the value of the goodwill of the firm is calculated on the basis of previous year profits that we have already discussed in the previous chapter while doing the valuation of goodwill by super profit method, by average profit method, weighted average profit method, and the capitalization method of super profit and the average profit. This we have already done. So I will have to bring my share of goodwill too in the firm. It's clear? Now the partners, they are sacrificing their share of goodwill, share of profit, because I am the new partner over there, and many other things they have to sacrifice and have to share with me. Therefore, the sacrificing ratio is must to be calculated at the time of admission of a partner. Admission के टाइम पे कैलकुलेट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है sacrificing ratio. And the main purpose for calculating the sacrificing ratio is to distribute the amount of goodwill that has been brought by the new partner. That is, or you may say, to do the adjustment of the goodwill. It's clear? So here the goodwill will be distributed in the sacrificing ratio. So the sacrificing ratio is must to be calculated. It's clear? And the rest of the things are to be shared in the old profit sharing ratio of the partners. It's clear? So now we will discuss about the cases. So the case number 1 is when the new partner is admitted and he brings his share of goodwill in cash and hand over it to any one or all partners personally. It means that the partners do not want to show the amount of goodwill in the books of accounts. वो दिखाना ही नहीं चाहते कि उनको गुडविल नाम की कोई चीज मिली है. In this case, there will be no entry in the books of account for the amount of goodwill that has been brought by the partner. और जो कैपिटल वो लेकर आया उसकी एंट्री. Now case 2, when the new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash and it is retained in the business, means it will be shown in the books of accounts. So when the goodwill is brought in cash, that amount is called as premium for goodwill. Now see the entry. Now the partner will bring cash for goodwill as well as for his capital. So cash account or bank account, whatever is given. अब ये कहाँ से पता चलेगा कि किससे एंट्री करनी है? It will be, you will have to see the balance sheet that will be given to you. If in the balance sheet cash account is mentioned on the asset side, cash at bank, cash in hand is mentioned. In that case you will write cash. And if in the balance sheet cash at bank is mentioned or just bank account is mentioned, in that case you will write bank. And if both are given, then it's up to you. It's your will to either use cash or bank, whatever you want to use, you can use. So over here the total amount brought, that is of cash, that is cash for capital and cash for goodwill, will be added up and the amount will be debited, because here the cash is coming. Who is giving it? The new partner is giving it for his capital. The amount will be shown separately, the capital amount will be shown separately, and it will be credited to the new partner's capital account. And the amount of goodwill will be shown separately and it will be credited to premium for goodwill account. Now this premium for goodwill account, whatever is the amount written over here, will be debited. Premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partner's capital account. Only sacrificing partner. Someone says, might be many of you passing the entry as to old partner's capital account. It's not so. If only a single partner has sacrificed, and if you are writing old partner's capital account and you are distributing it among old partners, your answer will become wrong. और ये एंट्रियां गलत हुई, पूरा इफेक्ट गलत हो गया. आपके मार्क्स, जहां 8 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है, वहां पर आपके मार्क्स आएंगे 3 या 4, क्योंकि इस स्टेप का असर फिर इसके अगली स्टेप पर है, फिर उसके अगली स्टेप पर है, फिर फाइनली बैलेंस शीट पर है. सो फ्रॉम हियर ऑनवर्ड्स यू विल स्टार्ट लूजिंग marks. So here it is to sacrificing partners capital. It's clear in the sacrificing ratio. Now case 3, when the new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash and it is withdrawn by the partners. The partner has brought his share of goodwill in cash and that amount has been withdrawn by the partners. So the entry will be cash / bank account debit, total amount brought, that is for capital as well as for premium for goodwill, to new partner's capital account for the amount of capital, to premium for goodwill account for the amount of goodwill. Same entry as in case 2, first entry. Then the second entry will also be the same. Premium for goodwill account will be debited to sacrificing partner's capital account in sacrificing ratio. Now the amount that has been withdrawn by the partners, that amount, for that amount the partners capital accounts will be debited. जिनको यहाँ पे क्रेडिट किया है उन्हें यहाँ पे डेबिट करेंगे टू कैश ऑब्लिक बैंक अकाउंट. To cash oblique bank account. It's clear to all?